Okay, the wood floor has begun. Absolutely gorgeous. Hard at work. So beautiful. And that'll be the last wall I need to paint. The rest of it's come together nicely. Got the track lights up, the wall sconces down. Oh, this is cool. Check this out. This is what you see when you walk in. One of my artists did this. This is the center corridor ceiling that we thought we were going to have to pull down. We got an awesome sky mural. Moon, balloons, birds, rainbow. Sun. And the fun part, that's hard and eye in that balloon. Let's see if we can. That's about as good as we can get it. But Kate painted us in there. Tomorrow there'll be an airplane flying with Edith Pamela's banner behind it. So that's looking from the back, looking towards the front entrance. We got all new tiles in the ceiling, nice white, clean. Painted the grid and the vents fresh white. Very cool.